Hey guys, it's your boy, RN Moto. We're gonna take you to a little slice of life content muna. It's a rainy afternoon today. And ayan, nilalabas muna natin si Sir B. So today our shift is gonna be 2 to 10 and 10 to 6, 16 hours tayo guys. So painit lang muna ang makina saglit. Take off na tayo guys, and take note, this is our very first motovlog. So bear with me. So just a friendly reminder to look both ways. Yes, huwag tayong maging kabote guys. So ayun, gamit natin today is yung kakabili ko lang na housing, yung cam. Very nice quality naman. In this part, walang ulan dito guys. Grabe. Pero mamaya tingnan nyo. Boom. Albayog City na to guys. Pero grabe. Buti na lang may kapote. Hindi naman tayo nag-struggle masyado. Yun lang, medyo slippery yung road, kaya kailangan mag-hinihinay. Transitioning. And ayan guys, andyan ako sa OSP, admiring my camera and curious about ang mga settings dyan. And meron tayong kasama dito guys, papa-shoutout. Hello sa iyo kung sino ka man. And andyan din mga kasama natin si Jude. So by this time, kinuha yung camera ko ni Tiana. Siya na mismo nag-vlog. Siya muna daw bida. Siya. Si Sir Ram. And ito si Ticha. Hi daw. Sir Aldrin. Camera siya yun. Chill lang muna, saglit, and we're done with our meds naman. So feature lang natin yung tropa natin, no? Pagod na yan. Honda Tomer na mirror selfie, feeling cute. I'm not gonna go at every detail guys, so that's it. That's for the vlog. Thanks for watching.